Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my video on my conspiracy and mini controversy palette. It has been a minute, you guys. I've had this for a while. I've been so busy. I haven't really gotten to dive into it only once, and that whole day was bad, starting from the minute I woke up, and I knew I shouldn't have done it because I wasn't proud of what I did. Like, the colors I chose just did not work for me and my style, and I done messed up bad. But also I am trying new products, so keep a lookout for that video if it wasn't already posted. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I post a new video. But with that being said, let's get on to the video. Okay, so honestly, I don't know what look I'm gonna go for yet, or if I'm gonna use one palette or both palettes. But honestly, both palettes are so nice. Both palettes have such good colors. Real quick for my stoners, I'm not a stoner, but I smoke here and there. Take a hit right now, get ready with me or just watch me, but I'm gonna smoke on my pen. I'm gonna have to cut this out because YouTube reasons. Now getting on to my makeup look. Let's see what we're doing here. So immediately I already know that I'm going to put Cry on My Couch as a base because it's like more neutral to my skin tone. Honestly, that went on so nice. I mean, you could barely see it on me because, like I said, it is very close to my skin tone. Honestly, I do want to either use Diet Cola or my boyfriend's purse. I'm going to go into the shade Pigment, and I am going to do it kind of as like... What's the word? What's the word? I'm gonna put it down before I put anything else down. I can't think of the word, and I forgot the word last video too. Honestly, this color is so stunning. Oh shoot. Maybe I should have done eyebrows. Do you know what? This is a Jeffree palette. We don't need to do eyebrows. Who needs eyebrows? Not me. Well, maybe we're gonna be extra. Like extra AF. Wow. Okay, so we did go a little bit crazy with this color. Will I regret it? I don't know yet. Holding on to the conspiracy palette makes my arm feel like it's getting a workout. That doesn't tell you how heavy it is. I'm just kidding, I'm weak as fluff. I'm actually gonna pick up my mini controversy palette, and now we are dipping into Not a Fact with this. It's kind of like a crease brush, but not. Like, it's a little bit more fluffier and tapered. That shade is gorgeous. By the way, I just remembered what the shade was called, like what I was doing. I'm using it as a transition color. Hey, I remembered. Wow, look at that difference so far. Honestly, that shade is so stunning. Honestly, I'm like the worst at telling if my makeup's even, but I think we're gonna go with this so far. Now, normally I would cut my crease, but I think since I did this makeup not too shabby, I'm going in with Cry on My Couch again and just covering this top layer of what I did before and kind of just even it out a little bit more so there's not any pigment left from the other palette. I mean the other shade. Okay, so now I'm going in with this kind of fluffy angled brush just so I can like pack this on my outer corner in the shade Controversy, which is like this purple color. That is stunning, you guys. Wow. Honestly, I'm so in love with these colors. I think next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with kind of like a packer brush, and I'm going to go in with Exposed and put it in this inner corner slash like middle of the lid. Okay, so with this exposed shade, I did go over controversy. I struggle saying that, you know this. I went over controversy, and honestly, it turned into a whole new color. I mean, it's kind of cute, but I feel like the look I want to go for is just a little bit darker like this. So that shade did kind of like blow off everywhere, so I would say be careful with it because it definitely did get over quite a bit of my eyelid. Okay, now I'm going in with this flat brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Trisha, and I'm going to put it right here on top of kind of where I did the exposed color. But before I do that, I'm going to spray my brush with some setting spray and then dip into it just so it kind of has more of like a poof look, you know what I mean? Okay, I sprayed some of that, and now I'm dipping into Trisha. Ooh, stunning already. Stunning the house. Holy moly. This is literally like Barbie pink. Oh my gosh, it is beautiful. I can definitely feel fallout, but honestly, I did go on it kind of heavy-handed. But it's not too much, as you guys can see. It doesn't look like all crazy. Something I could definitely wipe away, hopefully. I did get a little bit messy on my inner corner, but I think I'm just going to... Fuck? Bitch. Ooh, okay. Yes, I would recommend being very careful with the shade. Holy crap, I'm just gonna wipe off my fallout. Oof, girl. She is pigmented the house. I wiped off some of my makeup. Oops. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go in on a tiny little packing brush in the shade Ranch. Something very easy, something very little. And I am going to spray it with some setting spray before I go into it. Honestly, this is gorgeous. But I do have some more Trisha left on my skin. Like, that gets everywhere. Okay, I did get some Trisha on this brush, so I'm wiping it off. And I'm just gonna go into Ranch again just a little bit. Drag it more onto the pink. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go a little bit extra bold. A little bit more bold, you know. And I'm going to go with Diet Cola on my under eye. Like almost my waterline, but like my under eye. I'm gonna go with Diet Cola under my eye. That's what I mean. And I'm going in with, it's called an eyeliner brush, but it's like flat topped brush, I don't know. Honestly, Tin Man vibes. I've never used like a shimmery eyeshadow underneath my eye, and honestly, kind of living for it. And I did use this eyeshadow with like no setting spray, like nothing on it, and honestly, it is very nice. Okay, now honestly, what I am noticing is that the shade Trisha is literally everywhere. Honestly, it's easy cleanup. I don't mind it. If you don't like this, then don't get it. Other than that, like, the shades blended very beautifully. I don't really have like any problems with it. Like, I know Jeffree Star was like gonna come through with this formula. He did. I think it looks amazing. I just need to do some blending. Maybe a wing. Might ruin it. I might actually not, because I know I'm gonna ruin it if I do. And then I'm going to, I don't know, do something else. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I am now back, and I did a little bit of face makeup. I put on some eyebrows because I guess I ended up needing them. I lined my lips, and I think I'm gonna try Shane with this look. I don't think it matches too well, but I want to try it anyway. I want to support my king. And honestly, I don't think there's gonna be too many times where I wear this. Looking at it in this lighting, it looks so pretty. Okay, so I do notice that in the shade, it is a little bit sheer. I don't know if that was explained in the video and I missed it somehow, but like it looks good now, but I feel like you should let it dry a little bit and then maybe top it off because I can see some of my lip through the liquid lipstick. And that's not like a bad thing. Like some people could totally rock this color. I don't know if I would. My grandma doesn't even like deep pinks on me. So I mean, like, I know if I wore this all the time, she would be like looking at me like, but it does remind me of Shane. I feel like Shane is like a grungy green. This color perfectly describes him. A quick little side note with this video, I did apply a different liquid lipstick and I feel like it goes with this look so much better and it's so much prettier, like with the pink vibes. But I applied a Rose Madder and it looks gorgeous. Just wanted you guys to know. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and ring the notification bell so you guys can get notified whenever I post a new video. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and TikTok. It'll all be in the description down below or at the end of this video. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! With this eye crease brush, I'm going to go in with Pig Meat. Pig Meat! Hello. I'm weak as fuck, beach. I have never used a glitter like eyeshadow. Not glitter, shimmery. Maybe it's glitter. I don't know.